I used to write these really spicy stories for tier 2 town ladies for an app.
That was you?
That was me, bro.
That was you? Oh
was
my
me.
god. All those nights.
Are you Shalini?
Spicy story?
So, what happened? I'll tell you that the story is.
You're going to tell us one of the stories?
Let's do it.
Let's fucking
no,
go.
not the stories. It's the story of how I got the job, okay? So
Then one of the stories.
Yeah. So,
He'll go to the washroom again.
no. So it's not spicy in the sense. It's not like A-rated porn or
someone
something.
like
porn.
It's not
Red
not in
chilies
soft,
and all that.
Not in soft porn. It's like
Flaccid porn.
Classic boy.
Flaccid porn.
it's.
Yeah. So then you got this spicy job.
So basically, the requirement was the guy who owned this app. He said, my target is ladies who basically housewives in tier 2 and tier 3 town.
Got it.
And they are bored the whole day. So they will read this app and the stories. And it's like so the fun part about the app is I'm not trying to sell it, guys. Trust me. Because so it's like
Now it does sound like Shark Tank.
Slowly we're getting there.
So basically, it's an interactive story app where you tap and the next person appears, does his dialogue. Then you tap the next.
Oh, so
And-
it's not just words.
Yeah, it's not just words. And then there are folks in the story where you can choose what next happens.
Oh,
Yeah.
like
Got
Bandersnatch.
That is
Yeah. It's
and I had to
interactive.
come up with all the different parallel outcomes and everything. So that way it
That
was
actually sounds fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
But again, the story was he was like keep it very simple because when I started, I'm like I'll write the next Inception for you. This will be Inception for tier 2 town ladies. Like
All the
उनके
housewives.
सपने में वो अपनी सास को जान से मार रही है.
Christopher Balen.
It's like Christopher Balen.
Sex dream within a sex dream within a sex dream.
yeah.
It's just,
Yeah, dude.
which one is real? But
Yeah. So I wrote some dumb shit that I thought I was so proud of, and he's like, "Nah, man, this is not, bro. We don't want this. Just keep it simple, okay? Like a middle, beginning, and end. There's this girl. She's struggling, and then she just breaks out. In every story, the girl
Has to
breaks out
break
of
out.
the
Yeah.
the
The
shackles
shackles
of
of-
the society, you know,
society.
and then so that was I wrote like 6 or 7 stories and got
Wait,
paid.
shackles of patriarchy too?
To just
Shackles
debauchery,
of-
bro. Pure debauchery. That's all. Like, yeah,
So there's one guy sitting in Bangalore empowering women.
yeah. You know what they say about women written by men. That's a classic example.
Wait, you were paid first to a spicy
First
story.
story, yeah. So he used to pay decently, and
Yeah.
and I realized that that's enough for me. Like till I was not married, okay.
Yeah.
Like that is enough. That's all
Yeah,
I want.
yeah.
And I used to spend everything that
would
day.
make, yeah.
Like I won't save money at all. I was so proud of
I am
myself.
you right now.
Yeah. So that's. But then I got married, and my wife's like, "You show me your investments and all." I'm like, "Wow, we just met." Arranged marriage, by the
Your
way.
wife? You just met your wife?
Yeah.
Show me your investment. He brings out his books.
I'm like, you read these stories.
That's your homework for tonight.
Oh, investments. Let me write 7 spicy stories. I'll get by. But wait, so when she met you, she knew you were writing spicy stories as a job?
No, I told her. Like, she knew. I told her, these are all the shitty things I've done.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Now there are 2 folks for you. You choose which one you want. What do you want? Choose.
It's like
I
Veer
turned-
the-
Choose your own adventure.
There are 2 Piyushs.
But you stopped after that, the spicy story.
No, so the reason I stopped because 2020 Feb.
Oh,
This is 2020 Feb. I'm
before
doing
pandemic.
great.
Did you cause the lockdown?
Hang on. Maybe. I don't know. See, the thing is, so what happened was 2020 Feb, I'm writing like a 10th story, and this guy calls me like, "Hey, we have your office in Mumbai. You want to come join us there?" And I'm like, "Fine, I'll come." I go to this wedding in Jaipur, come back, and the news spreads that the first COVID victims in Jaipur have been found. I'm like, "So what is Jaipur, dude? Who cares about Jaipur?"
I'm from Jaipur.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, dude, they have fucking this stupid.
Yeah. Fair.
Have you been to that
Kind of
scam?
stupid. It is
Yeah.
stupid. Dude,
We're
there's no
gonna
Hava.
get banned for this, dude. 100%. Dude. Some is coming for us for this, yeah. But who cares anymore? So
And
okay.
then-
So,
I'm from there.
so anyway, I'm in Bangalore, so I don't care.
These
Yeah.
guys will beep it to all Bangalore, please. Oh, Kaban Park. Wow.
Just
Kaban.
So then came back from Jaipur. With
yeah, came back from Jaipur and I called him. Hey, so what? Have you heard of this code? Like, that guy's like, don't worry about it. Just 1 month and we'll be good. So you
Won't affect our
you,
spicy
yeah,
stories.
yeah. You keep writing, boy. He did that, and so I kept on writing. 2020 March, that Thali day happened.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And as everybody's doing that Thali, I called him again.
I have a new story idea.
Yeah, and my ringtone was Thali that day. And I called him like, hey bro, are you sure it's happening? Like people are like banging Thalis now. Are you okay? And he's also banging Thali. I'm like, yeah, I know, man, but I mean, you have to keep writing. We're still good. Don't worry. May, he's like, he calls me and like, hey man, we're shutting down. Yeah, no more funding. So yeah, just chill. That's all. And he cuts the call. I'm like, I don't have a job now, and I live with my parents. Didn't tell them that I have quit IIT 2 years ago. Okay, so
Wait, you were living with them and they had no idea you
yeah,
had a job.
no idea. Yeah.
So they thought you were doing IT work while you were writing these spicy stories.
This guy goes inside his room. Are you audible? Oh. Shalini goes into a room.
I've had fake calls on my laptop just to pretend like I have headphone and I'm writing a spicy story. Like, yes, Sandesh. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
When you wrote these stories, okay, I have like they come back with ki it's not
yeah,
spicy
He
enough.
has, dude.
Because
I'm
that
like,
feedback is crazy to be like और थोड़ा सा sick
I'm like, dude, yeah, I'm hard right here, dude. What are you talking about? I have a boner writing this story. How are you? And he's like, thoda aur de, thoda sa.
It's so hard to finish the story when you are finishing.
Yeah, my table is like this, like
You have to put a stone on the other side.
just to balance it up.
Wait, so it's not spicy enough and then you have to make it more spicy.
Yeah, no. So his problem was like कि यार उन्हें समझ नहीं आएगा. मैं कहा सर इसमें क्या समझ नहीं आएगा? सब समझा दिया मैंने इसमें. How can I like there are.
That's true. There's nothing else you can. I mean,
You can't add details, no, that much also. Like.
Yeah, you can't use exact words for those things. You just have to suggest that something happened. And that is the tricky part because that requires language and training, which I didn't have.
Oh.
Because all my life, I have just been direct with my friends in those words, right? Like,
Your training is in directness.
you don't talk to your words कि क्यों कमर में लचक आ गई है? तेरे बदन में आग लग रही है मेरे दोस्त बोल
These are the metaphors.
बोल
That's like when you do what happens when you apply Vicks on yourself.
ऐसी काम भावना उत्पन्न करूंगा तेरे बदन में साले.
Don't say साले also.
That was the only cuss word.
so this
My
is
brother-in-law.
Hindi, no? I'm assuming
Yeah,
this
Hindi,
is all
Hindi,
Hindi,
yeah.
not English.
No English, no.
Man, this is the best. Dude. Okay, if you, I'm not sure. You're not gonna tell us how much you got paid,
Yeah.
right?
No, I'll
each-
tell you. It's, yeah,
okay.
it's like per story around 45 to 50K.
Dude, how long were the stories? And how long were they?
They had like, so they were episodic, okay?
Yeah.
And episodic per episode was like roughly, if you read, 15 minutes. So I wrote that much.
Wow.
Whoa!
Yeah.
What
Per
the
episode, 15
fuck,
minutes, 15 to
dude?
20 minutes and 7 or 8 episodes.
What is the name
What?
of the story?
Of the yeah.
The
The
app,
season you created.
there were like 10 different seasons, like completely different stories and seasons. I
When is the
created.
reboot coming?
I was
dude?
like, imagine if one guy writes the entire Netflix. That's how it was.
Were you the only writer?
Yeah. I was because I was
Dude,
free.
you can't have multiple writers for these things.
Yeah,
true.
yeah. There was no writing room.
Imagine the writer's room here, there's a whiteboard. Okay, how can we make the turn them on now this week?
Like guys,
कमर
where
में
is the
आग
story?
लगनी चाहिए कि क्या लगनी चाहिए? Dude, that's fucking
That's a
insane
good money,
money,
dude.
man.
Yeah.
No wonder they ran out. And jumped out. It makes sense that they
Yeah.
just.
Whoever was funding it also was like, we're giving all of this money to one guy.
No wonder his funding ended immediately.
How pornos have like double entendre names like like Big Bang Theory.
Yeah.
This was it like
Nah,
that?
nah,
ये
nah.
रिश्ता यही कहलाता है.
No. So just to be fair to the guy, so it was not just like soft porn. There were 2 stories that were soft porn. Rest of them were like
hard
coming off. Yeah, just images. That's all. I just drew the stories. No, so a lot of them like travel stories.
Okay.
It's just that they all had the same masala formula. It was exactly like how every Bollywood movie they make now. Where like, okay, the girl. So if it's a travel story, the girl she just runs out of her house, goes on a trip, finds a guy. Then there is like full DDLJ scenes, and then just one small scene where there is something happening, and then after
And
that
then
they
you
come
get
back.
40K.
Yeah, 40K. That's it.
Crazy, no?
Easy money, bro.
Dude, at least
Yeah,
you're
he has something.
Yeah, go for it. Oh, go for it first.
Ganja.
Bro, he doesn't write anymore. Like,
Let's go. It's like story hai Sangeet, Raate Rangeen. Wow.
it's
What do you
rhymes
think?
also.
आप तो शायर नहीं हो।
What do you think? Is it good enough?
My God.
Oh my god.
What kind of audience do you have?
I don't know.
What
But
is this?
But what were the titles though? Was it like
Very
closer
simple
to this?
titles. No. So titles will never suggest what's happening. It was just the overall story arc. Like if.
so that trip and all this girl is going on. It's all lead up to this, is it?
So for example, all the trip stories, it came under a series called Safarnama. Okay. So Safarnama season 1, Safarnama season 2. So, by the way,
Represent! Still a
Like
loyal.
Suffer merch.
Yeah. But okay, dude.
But at least you were writing something fiction. It's still a little bit of creativity.
No, all based on my life. Yeah. No fiction there.
Guys, welcome to Spender Bender. How are you guys with money, man?
Yeah.
We'll
Oh, wow.
directly get into it.
Directly.
Yeah,
There's
no-
what
time
happened to how
wasted.
are you? What's
Fuck, how are you? Fuck, how are
with
you?
money?
Care
How
about
are
your
you?
personal life, dude.
Yeah.
Only financial life you care about.
Only financial
Yes.
life.
How are
God
you
damn it.
with money?
Why don't you use that?
No, you start.
I should start. Man, I just lost my job this year. And these guys called me for a money podcast. Okay, it was like, oh, you got fired. Come. How are you doing financially? Yeah, it was very bad.
What happened?
What
How did you
happened?
lose it?
Nothing. I was not paying attention. That's what, just like there was a job. There's a task list. I was not doing anything, and they were like, "Hey, we're gonna let you go." And I was very okay with it also. Like, and they were surprised with how much okay I was. They were like, you know,
Like
we're
who's
firing-
winning here? Like,
Yeah, dude. The HR was like, he had a whole script, and I said okay at the first sentence. And he just kept going.
How long have you been working? Had you been working there?
3 years.
Oh fuck, that's.
Yeah, and they called a separate HR who didn't know me, so that I would not show.
They just hired one new HR just to fire you.
Yeah, I guess they think like I know the other HR, so I can show some manipulation techniques.
But wait, you got fired.
Yeah.
When was this?
7 months.
7 months. Okay,
Yeah.
then you
Then
have.
did you try looking for another job? You're like, fuck
No,
this, I'm done
no,
with
no.
the job
done,
stuff
done
now.
with job.
Oh, done with jobs.
Like
in
just
general?
work entirely.
I mean, not like that.
Okay.
Like, there are errands I run and all, but
That's right
Why?
here.
yeah,
Grocery
that's-
Errands.
Errands for other people.
no, I do comedy full time. Yes.
I saw you come out of a Rapido. Was it? Oh shit.
Hey
I
man,
Weren't sure if you were getting dropped off or dropping someone.
man, I don't even.
He
had a-
gave it to the customer कि अब आप चलाओ मेरा शो है आप तब तक
Where were you working?
I was working in some IT company here only, Bangalore.
Hey, wait.
What?
No, he also works at an IT company.
What is this?
Dude, we are
I don't know
Bangalore,
how to.
dude.
Yeah.
Oh, your name is Gupta. He is also. working.
Hey, you both are Kumar or
you must be friends
But okay, no more IT.
No more IT. I don't want to work.
Oh fuck.
You guys had jobs or what?
No.
I do.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, you have a
I mean,
job.
I have a work from home.
Isn't your
vendor.
name some money or something?
What? My name?
It's many.
Okay.
His name is
Why-
Hosham
Shashank
Money.
Money. Yeah, that's why I have the show.
I know that was your idea. I don't know.
So now your plan is to
Plan is to
freelance?
stay out of the job, but it's hard only because you get used to that salary mindset. No, like,
Yeah.
It's fucking
Good salary?
intoxicating.
No. But you get used to it. That's all. Like that's yeah.
How much
Salary is
was
a
your-
salary.
How much was the salary if you want to say?
how many nanos? That's what they ask.
Yeah.
No, unfortunately. Half a nano.
Half a nano?
No, that's good. No.
3 nanos?
No.
2 nanos?
No, it was less than nano.
Oh, less than that. Okay.
Okay.
Why you guys making me feel bad on this podcast?
No, I'm
Why
sorry,
is this a
man. I'm
bullying
sorry.
session? Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
sorry, dude. I'm not bullying. I'm just trying to figure out, like.
It's like talking to your aunt. You know?
Yeah. Next day,
कितना कमा लेते हो बेटा?
Yeah.
शादी हो रही है अभी? शादी?
Man, this is
No.
the first time I'm meeting you, and this is what
That's
you're
true.
supposed to do.
That's true. The first time I met you, I'm like, what's your salary?
Man, I saw.
How much savings do you have?
Oh my god.
No. So, okay.
Yeah.
But, like, other than you're losing your job, does
Yeah.
that affect your lifestyle?
Financial?
Did you spend a lot on
Take a
some
guess,
things?
no?
No, not just that. No, not that. I'm saying, did you spend a lot on stuff, like something, and after the job, you're like, fuck, I can't spend on this
Dude,
anymore.
all the subscriptions.
Oh, we subscribe to.
Like net. What?
Alt
Alt
Balaji.
Bro, this guy-
Fuck, good.
what are you watching at night?
ये लोग लिख के आए हैं भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ.
This is the drugs guy, no?
I know.
Oh, this
That's
is-
here.
oh,
He's
oh,
there.
shit.
He's
They're the
there.
drinks guy.
This guy's on another drug.
What subscriptions did you?
Like Netflix, Spotify.
You cancelled all of them?
No, I didn't cancel.
Oh, acha.
I just have them. Yeah,
Oh.
it's
Oh,
a
it just-
problem.
It just affects
It's
you
a
more.
problem.
No,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
I
You
get
can't
it.
go back to now with ad Spotify.
Yeah.
Once you have an ad-free Spotify.
Oh shit.
That's true, man.
Yeah.
Have you gone to a no ad? Sorry, ad Spotify now?
No, it's ad-free only.
You say things, but you still have the same. Yeah, everything only.
The thing is, I'm careless. Is what I want to
Yeah.
say with life. Yeah.
But how many subscriptions do you have other than the Netflix?
Netflix, Hotstar, I think.
Prime.
Those two.
Prime, I don't have.
Prime you don't have. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Prime,
not
I have somebody else's.
Oh, okay.
I have Voot subscription. I never watch
You
it.
have Voot?
Just there. I'm
Dude,
like
dude.
buy all of them. That's how.
Is it Voot shut now?
I made them stay off. Like no. There's one guy watching. You have to keep running.
Dude, same. I had Geo Cinema subscription.
Yeah.
And I paid it till the end, till
Yep.
Geo became Hotstar.
Yeah.
Oh my
I
God.
paid every year $9.99. There's nothing on Geo Cinema.
Do you still go to Geo Cinema just to check how they are doing? Because there is an app still there.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't checked, dude.
So,
I didn't
yeah,
know.
So if you just go there, they're just there like, hey guys, how are you? Hey, man.
It's like an old grandmother.
आजो बेटा, आजो कुछ खाओगे?
$9.99 for 3 how many ever years Geo Cinema started. I was like, come on, let's do it. I think there was one show
Yeah.
that I liked on Geo Cinema, so I was like, अब से हर साल पूरा साल भरूंगा
पूरा
मैं
साल करूंगा, yeah.
हजार भरते गया मैं 3 साल.
I had paid $6.99 for Sony Live just for Shark Tank. And then I saw all those guys make money, so I cancelled it. I like, this is
did
too
Shark Tank?
depressed. Yeah.
What did you think Shark Tank was? Dude, of course they were making money.
I don't know. But I
I
hadn't
thought like
watched
bunch of sharks.
Guys, I just realized this show is the exact opposite of Shark Tank. It's the antithesis of Shark Tank.
Four guys are just sitting.
Who have no
We are
idea
out.
how to
Yeah.
deal with money.
Anti-finance.
Yeah, here is the opposite. You're like, I lost my job.
Yeah, there's some
Yeah, yeah.
Marxist interpretation of Shark Tank. Or
We are
something.
all free sharks. We don't believe in tank and all. No.
Nothing.
Yeah.
I'm a
We are out
freelancer. But other than that, like other than subscription, do you like spending on money on something?
On
What do you like
something.
spending on?
Mostly on chocolates and stuff.
Chocolates.
Like how much? Like
He has a
every day?
girlfriend. I
Like
think,
almost
that's
no, for myself.
why. Oh, okay. For you.
Man, self-love, right? And I buy only Hershey's chocolate
Wow.
for breakfast. Right?
The blueberry ones.
Huh?
The blueberry ones.
No, it's like
The bar.
the bar.
Yeah, you get other also.
I,
man,
I,
not just
I
the
only
blue-
eat the blueberry ones because I have convinced myself those are healthy because they're blueberry
You're the
chocolate
blueberry,
coated
yeah.
with
They're good for
blueberry.
skin.
Yeah.
Good for skin.
The blueberry part.
Oh yeah. You like buying Hershey's? Only Hershey's.
Only Hershey's. I've gotten used to it at this point. Yeah.
Why only Hershey's?
I don't know. The taste is good.
Did you go from another chocolate to Hershey's? Like, was there a trajectory?
Yeah, Hershey's like a little upgrade.
Yeah.
Like, but now you can't downgrade. That's the whole point. This is
Yeah.
how capitalism takes you in. Like
Yeah,
once they
it's-
give you a good lifestyle, you can't go back now. Like,
It's very tough to go back, dude.
Yeah.
So you're
Yeah.
still buying Hershey's?
yes,
But how much is it? Like every day?
128 rupees. It's actually 199, but Blinkit gives you for 128.
What?
Guys, please
This
stop
counts
laughing at
people.
my poverty. Like fucking this poor loser. Can't even buy a
No,
chocolate.
no, no. Listen,
Yeah,
I am
yeah.
a freelancer for 3 years.
Yeah.
I used to go down after a show
Yeah.
because there was this one guy who
Yeah.
used to sell sugarcane juice for 5 rupees. And I was like, this is,
Nice.
I can have 3
My
sugarcane
God.
juices. So I get it.
Bro,
dude.
near my house, there's a place for breakfast. It sells everything for 20 rupees. Idli, 4 idlis, 20 rupees.
What?
Plain dosa, 20 rupees. Masala dosa, 20 rupees. Potatoes are free or something. Right? And then again some vada for 20 rupees. Everything 20 rupees.
I
don't
think
know how
that
they're
guy has
surviving.
not seen a 50 rupee note. Like, how much money do you want? Oh, I want 20 rupees. Oh, if I like, what is the highest amount you can think?
Once I have
20.
120 rupee notes, then I'll be so rich.
She can't say 20,000. He can't say 1,000. You know?
How much is the rent? 20,
Bag
20,
full
20,
of
20.
cash.
Rent is 2020.
Watch is only 2020 cricket.
I have vision also 2020. You never get LASIK.
How are you with money, man? Piyush? Are you...
It's
Look at this fresh cut, dude. It's
Yeah.
a nice...
By the way, $50 only.
What?
I go to the
Go to
cheapest,
this guy.
barber ever. Yeah, he only cuts my hair.
No,
I was about to say the cheapest barber. This
Yeah,
guy.
that was me. What the fuck?
I meant the breakfast guy, dude. He'll do it for 20
He doesn't
rupees.
cut hair.
He gives me Hershey's while I eat. He cuts my hair.
Half of it is work at the customer.
But how are you with money, man?
I think it's mixed actually, dude. Because sometimes I feel like very proud of myself for not spending too much on me, and then I do the dumbest thing possible you can do with money. Like I went to Sri Lanka and I just enrolled in surfing at 35.
Have you surfed before?
No, never,
Oh,
never,
oh,
dude. And you know why it's weird? I'll tell you, because people who come for surfing there, they've already surfed.
Many
And they are
times,
young
yeah,
European kids
Yeah.
who have six packs.
Just like
young
body, yeah.
kids, like boys and girls.
And then
just,
you.
And just me, one guy, with like a tummy and
And a fresh haircut.
it was not there then.
Oh, shit.
And yeah, you can just see how disappointed they are to see me in that lineup.
And then you surfed? Like, is it easy?
Yeah, it's easy because it's very, it'll come to you naturally if you have some balance in your body. But yeah, it's...
How expensive on it?
Yeah, is it expensive?
Yeah, how expensive is it to enroll?
Sri
in
Lanka,
it?
it's very cheap.
No, the
No,
surfing
surfing.
part.
Surfing part, yeah.
Is it cheap? Is it... How much?
I mean...
Tell in his salary comparison.
In his I'll tell you in number of Hershey's chocolates. like I think 1,000 Hershey's chocolates.
Ooh, so
You get-
5,000 at least.
Yeah, you can do it. Like, but for it, they'll give you 3-4 days of like lessons and
No,
I
how
just
much-
want to say.
Yeah, that... How much? Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. What?
One Hershey's is 128,000, 5,000.
Yeah, it's not.
Good.
Yeah,
bro,
no,
good.
we
This
were
guy-
not
Nice
gonna do, like,
calculation.
actual math.
No, but let's do actual math. How much is
Okay,
it?
wait, should I get a calculator?
Sorry? 1,800?
1
12,000?
1,28,000.
One
Oh,
lakh
did I say 1,000? I'm sorry, 100. That's not. 12,800 because
Surfing.
and that's for like 3 or 4 days. They will give you good
Oh,
lessons.
not bad at all,
And it's
actually.
like 2 to 3 hours of they'll just keep throwing you in the sea till you come back. That's what it is basically. I realize there's not much skill involved in teaching you
This is what
surfing.
Bermuda Triangle is. What the fuck?
Yeah,
You just
yeah.
throw
It's like
people
every
there.
time you come back, I'm like, oh shit, man.
Man, this Indian guy is a bad again.
Yeah,
Where's the
yeah.
European guy, dude? What the fuck?
But you could see the disappointment in their face because see when so they were like 5 European girls, all slim, all hot in bikinis. Okay,
I think you just like Europeans. This guy's been describing their bodies.
just listen to. I'm a storyteller. You have to think about the details here. Okay,
Alright.
so they all go and you paddle. All the way, and then they're standing somewhere in the sea. Okay, the trainers. Okay, then they're like, okay, you wait, and a wave comes, and I'll just push you. Okay.
Okay.
And when they're talking to the ladies, they're like asking, so how's it like in Europe? They have all this accent and everything. And then when I go, like, they're just, sir, ready? Go. That's all. No talking, no small talk. Ask me about
Oh,
my
he
life.
preps the girls.
Yeah.
Like, aap theek ho.
Yeah, they're grooming the girls over there, man. All those boys.
Oh my God.
You he just push.
But honestly, how's it like in Europe and how's it like in Bangalore?
Sri Lanka is talking.
Sri Lanka,
No,
no,
but
never been to
you,
Europe.
To you, they ask the European girls, how's it like in Europe? And I'm gonna
They're just
ask you.
flirting basically. See,
Yeah, yeah.
that's the thing I've noticed. All these guys, trainers, they're also young, like 19, 18 years old. They just, They have.
There's a reason why they started this job.
That's how they pick up women, dude. That's the toughest way
really?
to pick up women. To learn surfing, then teach other people surfing.
You know, they say that if you love someone, let them go. If they love you,
Yeah, if
they'll come back.
they will come
Yeah,
back.
Yeah.
I came back. No love
But you
there.
came back too many times.
Too many times. Yeah,
But 3 days now, you know surfing.
I can fail better. Yeah.
Are there levels to this? Like,
Yeah. I mean, yeah, because the thing is, I saw people who were like dancing on the board while, like, there was this Italian lady who was like, while
European.
surfing back, she
Oh,
was
wait a
just doing
minute,
all
okay,
these
surfing.
things. Like,
I was
She's doing
thinking
tap
of-
dancing
I was
while-
thinking of scuba
yeah,
diving.
Oh,
she,
yeah.
she
Scuba
was tap
diving.
dancing while on the wave.
Dude, you should,
Laughing at
somebody from India should go and do Bharatnatyam on that, dude.
Dude, you thought scuba diving?
All this while I've been imagining scuba diving.
That's way worse.
I'm like,
because
this Piyush went down, I went way back up also.
Yeah.
you thought his instructor
This
was-
story became so different now.
Exactly.
Now I'm like European girls down and all I was thinking. And now it's just like standing on something.
You thought his instructor was like, fuck, he's back from underwater.
Like he's keeping me like this. Jayega? Jana?
Bora niche.
Jana?
But I've been scuba diving, and that's also the same thing. It's
Yeah.
younger people. They were actually younger to chhod with me were 2 kids, dude, and I was like, "मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ भाई यहाँ पर?"
But surfing is easy, right?
I don't think so.
don't.
No, I'm sure it's easy.
I mean,
I mean, you're saying if he can
see,
do
this
it,
guy is a footballer. He has good body balance. He can do it. I think he
You just have to stand on something, and when the water comes, you stand. That's all.
yeah,
no?
yeah. You stand. you just stay there.
I think I can do it. I believe in myself.
But now like you can go back and then what? Like it's a higher level.
Yeah, do you get a certificate?
There's
or
no
anything?
higher level. It's just that how cool you look on the surf. That's all. That's all the practice is.
Correct.
That's
Indians
all.
will
right
never
now
look
I look
cool.
dumb, dude. Like because the way I fall when it ends, right? That is dumb.
Oh, that's
So what-
a
so-
cool way to fall.
Yeah, I mean, there are people who just go all the way to the shore and then just jump off and pick up the fucking like a skateboard. They pick it up.
Oh, yeah. I always wondered how does it end?
That's true. All the
They
reels.
just keep going. Like, they just go back home surfing.
And then it becomes war 2. You're on an F1 circuit with a water.
Hey, you guys live in Mumbai, you can do it also.
What? In,
Surf.
are
On
you
Marine Drive,
crazy,
yeah.
dude? On Marine Drive?
No, your roads get flooded, no?
Oh.
Yeah, that's true.
That's
There are
true.
no waves, dude.
Yeah. No, there's waves, but it's of kachara. Just
You can do that Doom 2 thing with magnets and all. just a surfboard and magnets.
but now you're going back to.
Yeah, I'm going back again. This time with my wife because last time I went with my boys and we had too much fun. And she went to Hampi and zero fun. So I was like, she's like, I have to go.
The actual revenge
I have
should
to ruin
been-
your Sri Lanka, huh?
You should have gone to Hampi.
Why?
The revenge, no?
Okay, that way. Yeah, it
Revenge
doesn't.
on who?
Marriage doesn't work that way, brother. Let me tell you something.
Well, when you were in Sri Lanka and she was in Hampi, were you like sending up videos all over of you guys having fun?
Dude, there is a video where we are bitch ass drunk,
Yeah.
okay, and I'm yelling in the camera, "Bancho, Hampi kaun jata hai?" And
Loser wife?
yeah,
You're saying this on a surfboard.
yeah,
Just.
yeah. I'm like,
Humpy kaun jata hai?
and there's an Italian girl on my shoulders.
Even the trainer is like,
Everybody's talking in Hindi in Sri Lanka.
they learned just for that. Just to send it to your wife.
on the surfboard, it's a human pyramid.
And I'm reading a newspaper. Like, 26
Are you gonna surf again this time?
I'll try, man. I'll try. If
Different
she
places?
lets me, I'll go, man.
I've always wanted to surf, dude. It looks so cool, but I know I don't have balance, man. I really can't. Scuba diving is good because I'm just swimming.
See, here's the
dude.
thing. How old are you right now?
32.
This is
What
the
the
last
fuck?
phase of your life where
I'm
you
sorry.
where your last phase. Hear me out. Hear me out. What I'm saying is, this is the last phase, next 5 years, where your body will, correct your injuries. After that, if you do it, those injuries will stay with you forever.
Then you don't come. Your instructor would be happy, dude.
Yeah. So do all the dumb stuff now. in the
Bro, it'd
next
be
5
hilarious
years.
if he leaves you, the world is round. You just come back from like Columbus, you just come back.
The world is round. That's how you prove it.
That's how you prove it.
But I mean, scuba diving is also fun, but it's not. It doesn't look cool.
Yeah.
like surfing.
Scuba diving.
Scuba diving.
They do a lot of signs and all that.
Yeah, yeah, and I don't know the signs. This is up, but I just kept saying, yeah, cool, cool. And it's very tough too because you can't talk. My instructor told me to breathe. They give you this thing, right? Like he asked me to breathe. But I thought he wanted me to remove it, dude. So I removed it.
Underwater?
Underwater. And he's like, "What the fool?" And then he had to put it back.
And you were like,
Yeah, I was like, yeah, it's all good, dude. Let's go. And you can't even, your starts, what do you call it? dude?
Paining?
Yeah, paining. So you have to like keep opening it. And if that doesn't happen, you're fucked, dude. He's like, let's go back down. Like, what? I
can't hear you,
I can't
actually.
hear
What
you.
do I have to do?
But I want to do that in Sri
That's
Lanka.
how they choose shark food. Like one guy who's too dumb to live. They're like, then he just, and a shark comes. Like that guy.
you think that's how they call sharks?
Yeah, I think shark and eagle work the same way. Like,
My grandfather used to call the cows like
And dogs, dude. Oh, man.
Actually, I was researching your podcast to
Yes,
come
brother.
before a little bit. One podcast episode, you are like, this is the worst month or something like that. You were. And next podcast, he's like, last month I went to Thailand. And then I'm like, motherfucker, do you know what I am doing in my life right now?
Yeah.
I had to break my mutual fund to buy curd. And this guy talking about Thailand.
like he buys curd and then dips his chocolate in it. And he eats it. It's just
No. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even know it, dude. I didn't know. I
Nothing
said
more
that.
infuriating than people saying I have like lesser money than they usually have.
No, so okay, to be fair, after the Thailand trip,
Yeah.
I was fucked. Turns out I didn't have the money
To
to
go
do a
to
full
Thailand,
Thailand
yeah.
trip.
Welcome to
And
the club.
then, yeah.
But you know, I don't blame you because I understand that addiction to just spend money even though you know there is no left.
Yeah.
I get it because back in 2018 I quit my job and I was not even good at stand-up back then. It's not like I'm great right now, but at least now I have people watching my shows. But
Yeah.
back then I knew nothing and I quit my job and I thought, you know what? The very next day I'll get a writing gig. I'll just I'll just walk out and people will be like, sir, sign this contract, come with us to Mumbai. That's all. And
Alt Balaji will come.
all Balaji, yeah.
I also done some amazing writing. I used to do reality shows. I've written like a
shit.
bunch of reality shows.
Like?
The last.
So they are scripted.
Yeah, fully. But there's no work there. It's amazing because they realize when I reach on set, ki, oh, it's a conversational based show. What are you gonna write? They just hire you. Last show I went for, they called me. They're like, "कल क्या कर रहा है?" I'm like, "Free हो कहते हिमाचल आजा." मैं क्यों? कहते हमने कुछ couples को जंगल में छोड़ दिया है.
My God.
Dude, I reached there. That's exactly what it was.
And you guys watch it from a drone or something, like as they are like just.
I was in my room. I have no idea what was
You
going
were
on.
on like a Zoom call. Or something.
Yeah, but in Himachal.
How do you monitor them, like when they're
There's
in
a
the jungle?
PCR and all. There's a casting crew are there.
And what are they doing in the jungle? Like,
Oh, they're proving their love for each other by going inside the jungle and doing tasks.
Are they like going like how they used to be, how humans used to be?
No.
Okay.
They're fighting for because they're living in like camps with no like luxury items. So every day there will be like a drop box is coming in the middle of jungle that has an avocado in it.
Also, like how Africa lives.
Wow.
Generally, like
Somalia.
Somalia,
That's the
yeah.
name of the show. Somalia.
but in Himachal.
Somalia will.
But how much did you get paid for that? I just want to know everyone's money.
This was
This is a very
I
open
think,
show.
5 days of shoot in Himachal. Fucking amazing food, great view.
Wow.
oh, you get good food.
I was staying in a home cottage which had fresh food every day.
What did you have to write?
They expected me to write like host links.
Yeah.
And then by the third day, the director was like, so they're not following what you're writing. So
And
just
also,
sit
we
here."
lost them in the jungle. So I don't know what we can do. Right
They're
now.
not listening to us for some reason. I don't know why they're angry for some reason. like, हम लोग कुछ बोलते हैं तो आम फेंकने लग जाते हैं हम पे पता नहीं क्या हो गया उन लोगों को.
कहीं तो avocado छोड़ दिया है ढूंढ ले तो अच्छा है भाई अभी अब कहीं तो
शायद ब्रेड ढूंढने का है.
हमने स्क्रिप्ट भेजा वो खाने लग गए उसको यार.
3 दिन में पागल हो गए okay man let's now this is another segment now we'll do
Yeah,
a
let's do-
transition in
Oh,
the
yeah, I've
video
seen. Very cool. Huh?
thank you man
Yeah,
thank
yeah,
you
I've
thank you
noticed
sorry I like got very aggressive in the beginning with you, dude. You're,
No, I disliked your video and I came.
thank you. then we chilled, dude.
Thailand, fucker, this guy. I'm watching on my 20 GB data pack.
I'll tell you also, before we go on, I'll tell you exactly what my budget was, okay, for Thailand. I was like, 60-70K mein ho jana chahiye. Okay, I thought that would be.
Does he not
because-
understand how
I'll
what
tell you
position
why,
I am
I'll
in?
tell you why,
This
because
is the
I was-
last shirt I bought. This guy is telling
No,
me
I'll tell
70K.
you why, because I was also scuba diving, so that would take up a lot of money too. So I was like, take uske alawa 60-70K. I spent 1.8.
I thought you were gonna make him feel better.
I am, because all of this was on credit card. Then HDFC called me every day. You know, after a while they tried to threaten you.
He had to
They-
sell himself in Bangkok just to, like, for a week. He was like,
He
But
meant
no
Shalini,
one,
like,
no one wants Indians, dude, in Bangkok. Yeah, just to, so that it took me 3 months to pay that off. So
That's good.
मेरे को बोलने में मजा आता पॉडकास्ट में, बट पीछे मैं वो एक्सिस बैंक कॉल कर रहा है मेरे को इसके पीछे. But
Okay, cool,
Now
cool.
transition. Okay, wait. Piyush, you have your Blinkit product only?
yeah. I see. This is what I got for you guys because I'm allotted. I do.
Wait, we have to give this to them.
No. We don't have to give the.
Isn't this the best scam ever? They make you buy a thing, give it to them, then you will get one of you will get this. Like what? I'm
This
spending money.
Wait, this is you buy a lot of coffee or what?
Yeah, I do, man. I'll tell you why, because I brought this. Because usually what I do is I prepare my coffee like I go to the farm in Sakleshpur. No. Like, that's the part of my life I don't tell anyone about. But usually what I do is I buy the beans, I then crush them and
Oh, you have the whole setup?
the whole setup,
Oh.
and and then I drink it, and then when it's shit, I buy this and then yeah.
Which
that's-
machine do you use? Like, do you use a
Usually-
pour over? Whatever.
So you will start with the toughest one because you're like, oh, coffee, I
Yeah,
love coffee, you know. But then eventually the life will push you down and like French press, easy, yes, easy, simple, and just
You use a French press?
French press.
I use a Aeropress. It's the same, some
Yeah,
press.
dude, nothing about you says poor. I'll tell you this, bro. No matter how hard you tell to connect,
Everything about me.
Wait, I'll make it work. Govind, how many coffee machines do you have?
No.
Oh my God, Govind.
You name the coffee
Three more
device
dislikes.
and he has that.
No, I only have a mocha pot and an Aeropress.
And
That I didn't buy it, but there's an espresso machine that doesn't work anymore.
it's like your dad has told you, if you live alone for 5 years, I'll give you all my inheritance. So it's one of those 5 years right now. You're just going through them.
No, I had an Aeropress first. Okay, I gave it to my friend. I didn't think he'd move to Bangalore. I was like, "Okay, use it when you're in Bombay." Then he moved to Bangalore with it. So I was like, now I have to buy another Aeropress. I thought he'll just give it back. But then now I bought another Aeropress.
Yeah.
Then I bought a mocha pot. So that I can.
I've never felt more left out of a conversation. I've not seen any of these machines.
Because you don't prepare your own chocolate, that's why. Hershey's does. There's no Hershey's machine that'll prepare your
It's
chocolate.
crazy. Aeropress.
Aeropress
Can you
is.
explain what that is?
Man, I wish I could, dude.
No, like,
Aeropress
can you
is.
describe visually. Like,
You put coffee powder. There's some paper. Okay.
some paper, filter paper.
No, some
oh, that is
circle-
what filter coffee is?
Yeah.
No.
But then you
I'll
wanna-
tell you. No, you go for the
Yeah,
Aeropress.
then you put the man. I wish you put hot water. Okay, into
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
thing with powder, and then you wait 1.5 minutes. That's the only part I know.
Only the one and
He
a half minutes.
writes
Yes.
for a living, by the way. Huh? Just wanted to point that out.
It's one of those you had to be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had to be there. So,
This is the worst. You had to be there. I'm just making coffee, just making Aeropress, and then after
Yeah.
that you just press it into a mug.
Yeah.
And then it gives
Oh, you
you.
can press it with something.
yeah.
Like it can press
comes with a
itself.
presser.
Yeah, it comes with a presser.
It's a different thing.
Yes, and then there's diluted espresso, and then you put milk into it.
Yeah.
And
I
then
I don't
you
think
have
it's
it.
diluted espresso, it's extracted, no?
Then I'm wrong, I guess. Then it's not diluted
This life has
espresso.
been a lie so far.
Why do you guys
चाय
buy
पी रहा है तब से वो उसको पता नहीं है.
I've never had to explain what I do with my Aeropress.
No, I get it, bro.
It's just something I just.
That's the thing with coffee. for people who don't drink this coffee, it's insane for them to even look at someone just work that thing out.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
it is like, why are you just putting yourself through that? Just
I drink coffee.
buy
but why did you
Nescafe.
guys buy this?
I'll tell you. So the thing is, and this is what I've read on Wikipedia, okay, which is sorry,
Verified.
I read on actually even Instagram reel. That's
Yes.
okay. So that's where I get all my
Wikipedia's,
information from.
page
Yeah,
on
yeah,
Instagram.
yeah.
So it's
They
okay.
make reels now. 5 ways you're drinking your coffee wrong.
Get ready with me and make your coffee.
Julian Assange, you know? In an embassy.
So basically I bought this something called Nanopresso.
Okay.
And it was basically sold to me because I wanted to look cool, and I couldn't say no.
Nanopresso.
Nanopresso. Okay.
Is it the quartz one?
No. So I'll tell you what it is.
That's what Ratan Tata did when nobody bought it.
Nanopresso.
Nobody's fucking buying my Nano.
Like all the nanos were pressed and
One normal sized car once you press all of it together.
Nanopresso. I'll tell you what Nanopresso does. It's
Yeah.
basically an espresso machine, but you don't need like a huge machine. It prepares one single cup of espresso, okay? One shot basically.
Okay.
And what it does is, it same formula, hot water and stamped coffee powder, very
Yeah.
fine grain.
Yeah.
And what you do is, when you turn it upside down, there is a piston that you have to keep pressing till the pressure pushes the water through. And then using that, that's why it's called espresso because there's pressure. The pressure
I
of
thought
it.
Sabrina said it.
No. Who's Sabrina, bro?
The carpenter.
Oh, the carpet. What?
She's my favorite carpenter. I don't know about you guys.
After Jesus.
Fucking, oh god.
Merry Christmas, by the way.
Merry Christmas.
And then, the extract is pure espresso. That's all.
Can you explain Aeropress to him too, man?
Yeah, that is
Oh,
what he
wait.
wanted from Govind
Yeah,
actually.
yeah.
But somebody said espresso in this conversation. I zoned out, started singing in my head. Looking at me. In my head, sorry.
Dunia mein?
It's okay,
No,
man.
That's
looking
not
at
the
me.
song?
Looking
Oh,
at me.
Okay.
Dunia mein.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what this does is it simplifies the process where you don't have to grind, you don't have to do anything. Just it has a filter paper kind of a bag, and inside there is coffee powder. It's ready. You just hang it in your cup, pour hot water, and it'll just
Like-
pass through and give you coffee. That's all.
Like
What
green
about-
tea?
Yeah.
What about
Like
your
green
French?
tea.
What about your French press?
French is overrated, man. It is India. Yeah. Welcome to India.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is Indian, no?
This
This
Blue
Blue
Tokai is
Tokai.
pure Indian, man. Sakleshpur से बन के आता है.
कहाँ से?
हाँ, Sakleshpur
यही
and
पास में.
पास में.
अच्छा यही पर है.
No, actually, pass me.
अच्छा सच में पास में है? Oh, okay.
Most of the coffee comes from there only.
It's like 3 hours
Sakleshpur,
away.
Yeah.
So you make this every day, man.
I use it when I'm like I have a lot of work and don't want to go through that whole grinding because the problem is it's not just for me anymore. My wife is like Mirle hi bana bencho.
Oh, it's
Wow.
double that.
After all that shackles of patriarchy. It's like, wife said,
Hey.
go back to the kitchen. He's like, fuck you. Only in my books.
A man gets tired, dude. Feminism is tough. It's not easy. And I'm a convert basically, right? I was not born feminist.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Not a
most
female,
of it,
actually.
Yeah, exactly. I was,
You have a pass.
I was a sexist female. I'm like, nah. Once I transition, I'll be
Breaking
a
boundaries
feminist.
every day.
Oh man, back to coffee.
Also, it says like, it says slowly pour 180 ml of boiling water
Yeah.
in 2 to 3. How slowly do you like?
Like, how sexual can you make it? That's up to you. Yeah.
Slowly pour.
Yeah.
But easy for us, dude.
So do you also have a digital kettle and everything for the right exact temperature and all?
No, nothing like
Dude,
that.
you guys are psychos, huh? What the fuck? Like,
Coffee-
what is this
coffee-
digital kettle?
Coffee people are. I wanted.
There is no
digital
actual
one.
water in it. Just it'll tell you there is water, like written in digital
Digital
format.
kettle.
I want
Yeah.
a digital guide. It's too expensive, dude.
Yeah.
And it's
How much is
okay.
it?
It's like 2.5K something.
Why is it called digital kettle though?
Because it tells you the exact temperature of the water inside. So that's why 180 degree if you have to pour.
No,
So
I
it'll tell
have
you
a
exactly.
wo hotel wala kettle. I just.
Oh, that's a normal kettle.
You
Dude,
put
it's
it
not
in, I've seen it in my friend's house. You put water, then
Yeah.
one button is there.
One
Yeah,
button,
yeah.
and then you
And
wait.
then
it
that
turns
sound
green.
comes.
And then you
It's
put it
surfing
in.
inside, it's dancing.
I mean, you're right. By the way, a lot of it is very overrated. Like most of the
Yeah.
coffee, if you don't make it right, it'll taste the same.
It'll taste very bad.
Yeah.
I've realized I love making coffee, but I make bad coffee.
Yeah,
man.
it's a very tough art form. A lot of because there is competition out there of just brewing coffee.
Yeah.
Dude, there's
Yeah.
an
World competition.
Aeropress
Aeropress
championship
competition,
is
yeah.
happening. It happens in
Like,
Tokyo.
they call themselves champion after preparing coffee.
Yeah. How is the winner the biggest loser here? What the fuck?
Yeah, the person who comes third is actually the winner.
It is tough to make coffee though, dude.
Yeah. Because my friend, he was in Vietnam and he came back with that Vietnamese coffee, which is like very famous
The
over there.
best
It's
one,
called
yeah.
Kopi Luwak, okay?
Okay.
And it's apparently one of the costliest coffees.
Is it the cat poop coffee?
Yeah, that's the one.
Cat poop. I
Cat
thought some
poop coffee.
Sorry.
Exactly. Thank you for that. Rich people in the audience, by the way, very rich people. So the thing is, civet. It eats that berry, then poops it out, and then they process it, and it gives you this taste.
Yeah.
But if you don't prepare it well, then you get the taste that actual shit gives you. I'm like, gee.
You could have done this at home, basically.
Yeah.
When this is shit, it's real shit.
It's real shit, dude. Yeah. If you don't prepare it well, it's proper shit. Yeah.
It's more expensive than normal coffee, right?
It's very
This one?
expensive. It's very expensive.
Very expensive.
Yeah.
Civet coffee is very expensive.
It was gifted to me. I didn't ask.
Oh, are you
He's gonna
googling?
ask.
Can we do that?
Yeah, of
Yes,
course.
sir.
dude.
Yeah.
Google. I also want to know how much this is for because I've heard this is expensive, but I'm not having shit
Yeah.
coffee.
I've-
I'm not.
I'm not invested in any of the coffee machines. I mean, I had a mocha pot and a very basic espresso machine, but again, I was
That's
making.
two things.
Yeah. But I burned the mocha pot by mistake.
I'll tell you. See, that's the thing. The problem is, it all comes down to how lazy you are.
Yeah.
Everything. That's all. You can buy all the apparatus you want. In the end, it'll just be in your shelf to show to your friends.
Correct. Now it's every day I'm
the
ordering
French
on
press
Swiggy.
will always win. Trust
Oh, you
me.
found it?
How much
Yeah,
is it?
20 to 25,000 per kg.
Yeah.
What?
Yep.
Per kg.
Yeah.
Per kg, bro.
That's like half a story, dude.
250 grams, I think.
Yeah,
No,
250.
this
I
was
got
250 grams.
Not this. This is
How
very
much is
cheap.
this? 55 grams, let's say.
This is 300 rupees.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. But no, so dude, I have that mocha pot. I have the Aeropress. A lot of times I wake up. That day I woke up and I went on Swiggy. And I saw Third Wave Coffee. And I think Third Wave is really desperate because now there are too many cafes everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So now they're giving ice latte for 120 rupees. And that is nice and cheap. So now I buy that coffee every morning, even though I have 3 machines to make coffee from.
Yeah.
Now I buy 120 rupees.
I was
one.
just saying that there's a place near my house called Tuscan Coffee, and they're selling ice latte for 99. So I had oat milk also because I can spend 150 on a coffee, but I also have a Swiggy HDFC credit card, so I get 20% back.
No, you get 10%.
10%, yeah. So it's like, dude, I'm making money on this coffee. Also, they made it so easy to pay on Swiggy, like on this credit card. I tap 2 times and food is there.
What?
That is true.
That's
Exploitation,
how
right?
the app works.
Exploitation is
Yeah, it's crazy. Does someone have the Swiggy card? What?
It's the
You
best,
do?
right?
Is it good?
Yeah, exactly.
You just have to say, "Oi." That's all. As a talib. Gokul shows up on the door.
What do you mean no OTP?
ये तो हर जगह यही होता है.
अरे normal.
इसमें कुछ नहीं है.
Huh?
Oh, that okay. Like Chotu, do chai. Like that's what she's saying.
Nowadays, so phones read OTPs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You have to
that's
press
right.
on that.
It's
we
just
got
one
you, bro.
button you have to press.
Yeah, so like you don't have to
That
put your
also you don't wanna
CVV,
do.
you don't have to put anything.
You
just
don't.
press 2 times.
Anyway.
Hey man, let me enjoy this.
Okay.
Sorry, yeah.
You get that cashback though,
Yeah,
10% due.
yeah.
Cashbacks, I'm never sure if I've got it
No,
back.
I check my statement,
Yeah?
dude. Yeah. But it comes once after the bill gets generated. So the next month you see it.
Arey, fuck that.
Cashback, you don't understand when your bank balance is a little high.
Yeah.
When it is at 225, when it becomes 235, I'm like, something happened here.
Hey, where did this come from?
But do you guys really earn anything back? Because this is what I've noticed. They give you cash back and then they will make sure that the final amount is always the same that it was initially. Like they will add some charges, like some
Yeah.
storage cost and like humanity, save humanity something.
Eco saver.
Eco saver, something they'll
What
add.
is website?
Not websites, bro.
Okay,
App.
Oh, app.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're in 2025 now. Websites.
www.swiggy.com. This is that's the app.
You really haven't made money in a while. Huh?
They deliver in 4 days. Oh my god! That holy shit! That's the fastest ever.
What kind of coffee do you have, man?
Filter coffee.
Filter coffee?
Yeah.
Actually, filter coffee,
It's good
you know,
also, like-
yeah, filter coffee is.
After all these machines, you fuckers are like,
Yeah. Dude, you have to go through all this to come back to your roots.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
thing, yeah.
No,
You have
see,
to- you will
filter
never
coffee you
value-
get good here. Even outside, you get it cheaper. I don't like the cutting chai, and I mean, I don't have chai. But also
Same.
Bombay, I don't like.
Yo,
the
watch
coffee.
out. That's like, that's
Very
strike
controversial,
2.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I don't like chai, dude.
Same,
Coffee is
same,
just
same.
better. But
Yeah.
Whoa.
it is, man. But what was I
only
saying?
when I'm sick, chai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But the coffee you get in Bombay, I don't like that. But filter coffee is fucking amazing. So that's
Oh,
good.
nice.
But you have it from outside, you make it yourself.
No, I never make it. I have outside. Yeah. 20 rupees.
That 20 rupees guy, right? Like he's like, whatever it is.
yeah, whatever it is.
पानी भी 20 रुपए का है और सारा खाना भी 20
सब
रुपए का है।
20 रुपए
सब
का।
20
Actually,
रुपए
मैं
का
ये
है।
शॉप
लड़के
ये शॉप बेच रहा हूँ मैं ये 20 रुपए का ले लो शॉप भी
That's what you call money laundering, by the way. That's how you money
No,
launder.
no, they're very nice people, I'm sure. Like,
What's it called, dude? Give a shout out.
there's no
man.
name.
Huh?
There are just like
No name. You're just there.
You know those cutouts like on paper will be hanging like this, like 20 rupees. Like
And they're just rotating like this in the air. Yeah.
it says masala dosa on one of them. 20 rupees like
So
that.
basically, yeah.
And then idli is.
It's the menu and the price rate. That's all.
I know you can't. I know you guys don't believe me, but it's actually like that. It's just floating like this.
No, I get it. One of those
Yeah.
nameless.
Nameless.
places,
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
That reminds me, and I've seen that more in like UP and all. If you go right, there outside they will tell you in huge block letters what they're selling. Like for example, here wine shop. This is wine shop, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You go to Kanpur, any wine shop outside, Prachand Thandi beer. That's the name of the shop. Prachand Thandi beer. Prachand means the coldest you can ever imagine.
Yeah.
That's how cold that beer is.
That's it.
Yeah. you
That's
have
the name of the place, or are they saying?
That's
ki
it. That's
we
it.
are
That's how you find out there is a wine shop there. Like that's the. Yeah,
Child beer.
Child beer.
in Kerala, throughout Kerala, whenever I go back, I see they don't even there. They don't name the bars, dude. It
Yeah.
just says bar, like a very big bar.
Thought somebody yells it in your face. Hey!
Just one guy.
Because they're just like यही जानना है ना नाम जान के क्या कर लेगा? Just it's a bar, dude. Come.
I'm also.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like it's
Mallu
not
boy.
bar. They're like kallu shop.
Ah,
Yeah.
kallu shop and
It's
all,
not
but-
shop. It'll be sharp. Like
Sharp,
yeah,
but
yeah.
mostly you see it on the side of the roads. You see the big bar with
Correct,
light.
correct.
That's it. Ki come in.
Is that bar on your hand or what?
No, dude. Oh,
It almost looked like that. I'm
no,
sorry.
no. I've said
we
that.
have to.
No. I've said it 3-4
I will
times, but if
remove
you
it,
don't
but
Oh,
know,
I
you
saw,
must.
I saw.
No, it's okay. I'll still say
What does
it.
it mean, man?
It says
This is
Japanese.
my proudest achievement. I want to say.
This is the word Japanese in Mandarin. Man, I just wanted to make fun of the Europeans you love. They keep
Yeah, I love
having
Europeans,
like they
man.
keep making these tattoos of Chinese here, right?
Yeah.
So I was like, let me make fun of them, and I just did this. But then when I went to Thailand for this, I was like, man, I don't know who will understand what this is here, dude. I can't go to China, I can't go to Japan. They'll be like, what the fuck have you written, dude? Japanese and Chinese.
That's a hate crime in China, by the way.
Yeah.
Probably it
It
is.
also means Japanese people, not the language.
Not even the
Japanese.
language.
Because Japanese historically were very, very shitty to Chinese people.
Oh shit, that's true.
There was like a huge massacre of
Yeah.
Chinese people by Japanese people. You're basically saying them, remember what happened to you? Remember what these guys did?
It's fine.
Remember who
until-
did it to you?
It's fine until I'm in Bangalore, Bombay, Delhi,
Yeah,
wherever.
yeah.
थोड़ा ये side जाने लगूंगा, I'll have to put like something.
That's like
here.
saying Kannada nahi aata in Kannada. That's what, that's
No,
what it is.
in Hindi.
in Hindi to show it to people.
कन्नड़ से क्या हो हिंदी में लिख के आता
My favorite restaurant in Jaipur is this place called Ching Chong Ding Dong Chinese restaurant.
Wow.
I
It's
like, यहाँ पे
honestly-
Chinese लिखने की जरूरत थी नहीं वैसे. We could have understood.
Or don't write ching chong also.
Restaurant,
don't
bar. Just a big restaurant.
in case you were wondering कि ये कहाँ का खाना बेचता है, right? Ching chong ding dong. क्या यहाँ राजस्थानी मिलता है क्या यहाँ पे?
पाव भाजी मस्त मिलती है
पाव
यहाँ पे
भाजी मिलती
actually.
है. Ching chong ding
Like,
dong.
don't write Chinese.
Yeah. No,
Ching chong मत
you're
लिखो
very
ना.
clear with the racism. We know what you're selling.
Acha, Ching Chong restaurant,
Yeah.
you know what they're selling.
Like
Yeah.
responsibly racist. That's why.
Yeah.
Google, what's your
Oh,
product?
mine, yeah. Oh, just a little context. I buy books here and there.
Wow, he said it in such a.
Like he wanted
Smart
applause for this.
Oh, what? Applause.
Like,
No,
what
no.
a- what a
With
guy.
your
Bastard. Like, I read books, guys. Come on. I don't have
His
money.
spicy stories.
that
He prints them out and reads them. Yeah, they just
is it hardcover or
like a
soft
physical
cover?
copy, hard copy. Oh,
What is this?
wow, this.
it's an actual book I bought.
I read
my
this as
God.
Mind Coffee. I'm like, makes sense.
All of Hitler's favorite coffee recipes in it.
I think he was not a French press guy, definitely.
He was more of an AeroPress person for sure.
Oh my god, dude. You.
Actually bought this.
You
I
actually
didn't buy
bought
it for the show or anything.
Yeah.
Right?
It's only 150 rupees.
What do you mean only?
Yeah, dude. The one thing is like, first of all, you can't buy it like proudly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It has to
When
be
you go to
hush hush.
the cashier,
Yeah.
you have to buy something else on top. It's like buying a pad or something. Right? You have to
ये brown paper में डाल के देते हैं.
put it on a newspaper. Man, but like I bought it and I can't believe somebody's still making profits out of this guy.
Yeah, who's actually making profits out of this? I
Lexicon
want to
Books
know.
is.
Yeah, call them out, dude.
Yeah.
Call them out to all of
Lexicon-
You
you.
gave them the money, dude. What do you mean? Call them out.
You bought it at Blossoms. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
okay,
yeah.
That's a good story.
Man, did you read it?
I read like half of it.
What
and then I
does it
started relating to him at one point.
No, the
Dude,
first half is all about him being a painter, right?
No, the first is like how he was growing up. He had like a strict dad or something. Then I
Wow.
was like,
Put it on
okay.
your father. Like, wow, lazy. Yeah.
The second
I
chap-
did not do that. That was my father.
the second chapter is about how he went to Vienna to become a painter. He's like a failed artist. He's poor. I'm like, what the? This is.
But he went to Thailand. 1.8 lakh budget, but he was poor.
Third page. HR told me I'm fired.
And the HR was Jew.
Then he wrote spicy stories, I think.
Dude, I wanted to see if there's some acknowledgement, but there's not. In the beginning. How
By
usually-
whom? By Stalin or someone like.
This guy thought I got a signed copy or something.
Who do I sign it to?
Dude, these lexicon books, no, they are not.
Dude, in between,
shying
he's
away.
telling full how to do propaganda.
Are you
He
serious?
just
Yeah,
does
yeah,
that.
I mean, of course he is. I mean, I can't be so.
Yeah.
Hitler is saying that? What?
Not surprised at all.
No, the lexicon books is very open about this. Huh? More lexicon classics in the series. And it's Menkov again. They can't stop.
He
and
actually
then,
wrote 2 volumes of this actually.
Dude, it's the Hitler book, then Sherlock Holmes. Uske niche.
Yeah, these guys are proper capitalists. Every book they will publish.
Yeah.
They don't care about, like, they don't have any, like, they don't follow a particular ideology.
Yeah.
But Gokul,
Yeah.
why did you buy this?
I was like, I just want some
Spice. in your-
spice. Like I just was curious. I just want to see.
That's true, dude.
They were like,
But-
there must be a reason.
You know what they should do now? Like every print of Mein Kampf, they should just put something wrong in there. Like one line, but I was gay actually. And then that's it. Just put weird shit in there that nobody cares about.
Yeah, no one's
out
gonna
of-
correct.
And everybody's reading different
whoa,
shit.
whoa,
Yeah.
The funny part is
You know-
there's an about author section.
Is there?
Yeah, there is.
Oh shit!
What does it
See
say?
what
Can you
it
read it,
says.
Govind?
Like the whole book is about him. And then about the author.
Oh, okay. The last line. Okay, I'm not going to read the whole thing. It's too long.
Yeah.
But the last line is, but the book did not become a bestseller until 1930.
Wow.
It became a bestseller, right?
Yeah, he was in jail first.
Uh-huh.
Imagine writing a book in jail, first of all.
Yeah, it must be
That
tough.
is- yeah.
Yeah.
Did any of us
No.
Right?
Never, never.
Outside jail also. Sorry, except you.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, sorry.
yeah.
Accomplished writer over here.
Man, this is.
That's how I got out of jail. I wrote stories for them. Like, you should go outside.
It's also 600 pages. Where have you read it till?
200 or something.
That's a lot of reading. 200 is
My
good
little
enough.
Hitler. Dude, just shave this part of your mustache. It's just. You have his hair though, but like 100%.
Oh
yeah,
my
he-
God.
He does. Look at him, dude. It's just-
Dude, he actually.
Fucking no.
No, it's the side partition. If you put it down.
Next to your face once.
Dude, I don't know how much of this we're allowed to like YouTube.
Really, you can't.
I
Most
have
of
no
them,
clue.
no.
We're
Yeah.
showing Hitler.
Dude, this is an OnlyFans episode. Yeah, this is not going on YouTube at all.
You get this episode and his story.
Oh man, there's no movie on now.
I don't think so.
You're more
I
of
don't
a
think.
movie
Yeah,
guy.
it's-
Yeah, the
yeah.
book is better.
Yeah.
I think.
movie.
I think this is Dhurandhar Part 2. This is.
Are there other books like this that you want to buy?
No, nothing like that. The rest of my
you want
collection
a
is
Mussolini's journey, like, Stalin's Day Out,
I don't
something
buy
like that.
Stalin's Day Out.
Something should be there, dude.
No, the rest of the collection is
Diary of Genghis Khan.
Imagine replacing Anne Frank with all
The diary of.
all the details are same except it is Genghis Khan now. I'm
Rest
excited
of it,
about
what are the other books? Because
Others are normal only.
I just want
Don't
to
stop
see.
showing this.
You don't have more lexicon book classics?
No.
This is it? No Sherlock
Yeah.
Holmes?
No, Sherlock. I can't read Sherlock.
Good purchase, dude.
You
Very
can't, as in you're
Is it
not
fiction?
capable of physically capable of reading.
Fiction, I have
Oh, you
some-
can't read fiction.
There's some,
Oh, you can't
That's
read.
a-
There's some inertia with.
Why not, dude? The Art of War.
Oh yeah, that
Is
is
another-
Sun Tzu. Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Oh, sorry. A lot of people knew it.
Come on, dude. Don't you know the Chinese
Fuck.
general? This fucker has a Mandarin tattoo.
But it says Japanese, dude. I don't know the Chinese. Oh, dude, it's
There are
a
pictures,
There are
dude.
pictures.
It's
I don't-
actually like
dude.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid,
Oh,
dude.
sorry. Yeah, exactly. Dude, sorry. One second. Right before this, it says Adolf Hitler in action. I'm like, man, this is not something.
This is a book which is published late. I'm sure he wrote in German. Then it is translated and
Yeah.
like retroactively put photos.
Oof, it's very Hitler. With
Yeah, what
his-
if the English guy fucked with this? Like, he wrote
Yeah.
some poems and all. Like, life is beautiful, guys. Live to the fullest. You know,
Love everyone.
all is well. All ऐसे कुछ लिखा उसने, and they just translated it into the worst possible English.
इंग्लिश वाले का पेज बचे तो ओम शांति ओम लिरिक्स लिख रहा है.
Okay, now we go down to our last section. Transition. I think that happens without us. But okay, this is a segment where we ask you guys to write down what's a purchase you'll defend forever, but others find stupid. Okay, or just mention anything funny that you own. You guys wanna pick and choose any one of these that you wanna talk about?
Whoa, hang on. What is that?
No, I'm just checking.
Dude, this immediately got my attention. Like, what's a purchase you will defend forever, but others find stupid? Or just mention anything funny that you own. The answer is BDSM club membership.
Who has a BDSM?
From
club
your reaction,
membership?
it seems it's you. Oh, it's you. Okay. In the future.
Oh, you will have a membership.
Oh, you
You
will.
will.
A
God
BDSM
damn.
club
But
membership.
what is the membership?
Yeah, what
yeah,
is it
what
about?
happens?
So there's a BDSM club, and you want to interact with people with the same interest.
Okay.
I mean,
Interest.
I think.
Interest
the
is the-
BDSM
This is
part
what dental,
clear.
right? Dental BDSM, right? That's what we're talking about, right? Dental sciences, right? That's what dental sciences and medicine, bachelor in. That's what she's talking about. She has good teeth, man. Look at her. It's just-
That's
In the future.
right now, she takes care of it from her dad's money. But when she earns it,
right,
she will.
filling cavities.
Yeah. A lot of cavities are filled, and
So the interest is like root canal. Or
root canal. Yeah, it's true.
Wait. Do you know, like, how do you do your research for this, man? I don't.
What
Dude,
went?
you should reach out.
Yeah, we're not that far. Like almost same industry.
Exactly. But are there ones here in this city in Bangalore?
But are they like?
So do you have to like buy stuff to go there? Like you need a whiplash or
BYOB.
something? Bring your own whiplash.
No, you don't. There's none in Bangalore or
Nothing
anywhere
like
in
that.
India.
So where did you find, where is one you know of? Like,
In
Well,
Japan.
there you go. We have.
I knew
See,
they were
it all
crazy.
adds up, right? He was in Thailand for a week.
Yeah.
And now he has a Japanese. Like, it's
Japanese
all adding
tattoo.
up.
I
I don't know
have
about
a-
you, but in future he's going there.
I have a membership. If you want, I can give you like a,
like these people who come there,
yeah.
you'll be like, okay, I have this interest, you have this interest. So those two go out and do whatever.
No, it's.
I'm
I think
asking.
it's like a support group where you sit in a circle and you're like, "Hi, my name is Piyush.
No, it's like a, I like getting
I like getting
beaten.
spanked a lot. Something like that, I think.
It's
yeah.
like a Gymkhana
And then it's like,
membership.
"Hi, Piyush.
It's like a
You're not alone.
You're not alone."
No, but I'm saying.
Yeah,
I also
please.
want to know what he asked.
Yeah.
Like, what do you?
This is very crowded, but they have rooms for it.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Which are filled with toys and everything.
Yeah.
toys.
Filled with toys.
Toys are us. Yeah.
By the way,
We are toys.
We are toys.
Yeah.
Speaking of toys, I just want to point out, it's so funny. The next chat is Kinder Joy toys. So just want to
Wow.
show
That's
the.
what. You guys are friends.
Man,
The-
someday your worlds are gonna collide, you know? And you will find yourself on the Epstein list. That's what's gonna happen.
These guys are in a room full of toys. There's a guy with a crane.
No, it's serious, but but wait. I'm genuinely curious. There are rooms with toys that they provide, okay, and then like you, what happens there with the membership?
No,
You
they
need a
just-
membership. You can't go.
To meet people who have similar interests.
Like-minded people.
Do you get like a 1 month trial period or like this?
Oh, with a Swiggy
Okay.
card.
Like on the 31st day, they're just like, कहाँ जा रहे हो? Room में कहाँ जा रहे हो?
थप्पड़ मार के.
Okay.
Oh shit, you like that? Sorry.
Fuck, this doesn't even work.
I'm sorry. Well, please बाहर चले जाओ. प्यार से बता.
Okay, I think that's the
This
end.
is the opposite of thapad. Thapad से डर नहीं लगता फिर.
Okay, we'll do one last quick one. Okay, Kinder Joy तो हो गया.
Why was this not the first segment, dude? This should have been
I
the first
just want to know this last one. Just a tattoo. Oh shit, it's you. Oh, what is the tattoo?
Let's go, brother.
DTDC.
We all
Pass.
Sorry,
DTDC is the delivery partner.
DTJS. What does that mean?
Don't think, just send.
Don't think just?
Send.
Send what?
Send what?
Used to.
That DTDC also, that's only.
Send used to?
Oh, when you used to smoke.
Okay.
Oh. That's okay, dude. I also regret this, man. We both can regret this together. Your DTDC and my Japanese in Chinese. Okay, but thank you so much for coming, guys. That's been the end of the show.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you so much for you guys for coming
Yes,
up.
thank you so much for coming.
Give it up for Piyush Kumar, everyone.
Gokul Kumar.
Give it up for Govind.
And Oshan, this is Underground. They'll have more shows. Okay, you go enjoy your day.
Follow Spender Bender, subscribe,
Spender
hype,
Bender,
and yes, keep
yes.
coming for shows. Bye-bye.
Bye.